G'day guys, welcome back to another Salt and Carbon episode. It's been a hot minute since I've spoken to you guys, but not to worry, we have a lot of content being generated and promise to keep the episodes coming thick and fast in the future. For now, enjoy this episode. Hey guys, a bit of an interruption to the regular video footage. The video footage you're about to see was taken about 6 months ago, and the date of the release of this video is in 2025. We're currently in New South Wales in Kosciuszko National Park, and since it's 2025, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone that we didn't wish Merry Christmas to, and Happy New Year's, and I hope all of you had a wonderful festive season. I'll stop babbling now and enjoy the rest of this episode.
So you'll notice how green the surrounding areas here are around Maggie's campsite in Coral Bay, where we camped for the last few days, because the camp host was telling us, I think yesterday, that they've had a lot of rain here over the last few months.
Like every week they'll have a full day of rain.
Yeah, so after almost 2 years of no rain, they've had a lot of rain, so everything looks super green, but it's actually very uncharacteristic for this area, so we're quite lucky to see it like this.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And the weird thing is we're on a cattle station, but the ocean is just on the other side of the sand dune, which is very weird. So you see ocean and cattle mixing together.
Yeah, it's very cool, definitely a unique place. So this is Turtle Rock. Some pretty big waves. So we've just been standing here watching the waves, and we've spotted about 3 or 4 turtles already, so that's why I guess not surprising that it's called Turtle Rock. There's one just out there, and I can see another one and another one. Oh yeah, there's heaps. So cool.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You guys, how specky is this area? We've just taken a dirt track, sandy track, on the way back to Coral Bay from our campsite Maggies this morning, and we find this gem of a spot, beautiful for a picnic, so I think we're going to have some lunch here. The view is fantastic, and every now and then we see some turtles popping up. It's these surprising spots that really make the trip, hey? It's not on wiki camps, it's nowhere to be seen, but it's on a well-driven dirt track. You can see no one has been here for a while, but I think the guys with the caravans and so on might be a bit scared to go up on the sand dunes and so on, but yeah, if you've got a rig like ours or just a ute or something, take that dirt road that looks like no one has taken it for a while, because you'll find spots like this and then you'll be pleasantly surprised. This hill was a hill that technically you didn't have to take, but of course, being me, I wanted to see what the old 1HZ Troopy can do. So let's see if we can make it up the hill. With a bit of wheel spin here and there and open diffs, we managed to make it up the hill.
Banner's just run to go and see how this hill looks on the other side. He's very good like that, always making sure before we start a track that we are safe to go up and down on the other side. Yeah, you never want to get halfway up and then realize when you get to the top and you can't turn around that it's not okay to go down the other side. So he's very good with his safety.
You want to go up there and then
How is it? Is it okay?
yeah, I think we're gonna try it, see how we go. But if Jen can just go up and see if there's any oncoming traffic, because obviously I'm going to be trying gunning it up here, so see how we go.
Just getting my workout in, running up this hill. It's a pretty steep one.
So with the run up all the way from Perth, I was ready to give the old 18Z the berries and see if we can make it up the hill. Do we make it? Pretty cool, able to go swim this bloody cool place. There's another troopster. Thanks.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we're on the way to South Lefroy campground now. We were going to take Ningaloo Road, which is what, like 50 km from Coral Bay, or a bit further maybe. So we drove the tar road until we hit the dirt road. That was where Ningaloo Road was supposed to start, and then as we got there we drove about another 100 meters, and then there was a sign that said road closed.
After we air down our tires.
Yeah, Savannah spent ages airing down and we're all ready to go on the dirt road, and then it's closed. So we had to go back a portion of the tar road, just driving really slowly with the aired down tires, and try and take another farm road to get there. So fingers crossed that we get there and we don't have to turn around and go back from this road, because it's already 6 o'clock, just after 6 at night, and you can see the sunset's already well under its way. So yeah.
If we have to turn around and go via X Mountain, it's at least another 200 kilometers, so we really don't want to do that. After what felt like an eternity of driving in the dark, we finally made it to South Lefroy campsite in the dark to be greeted the following day with these friendly little dolphins. But more of that in the next episode. Thank you for watching.